coordinate.
Wait a minute. What's that? Oh, there it goes.
Stand it back up, buddy.
I know. I did it. Look, it's right there. It's right there. It's right there. It's right there.
He finally figured it out. He does not like it when somebody takes it from him. What you doing, bud? What are you doing? Landon. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm busy.
He looks at me like, what?